Hello friends, let's move on to the next chapter, Agricultural Pricing in Module 2 for the subject of Business Economics for TY Bcom Semester 5-2. Now let's understand the features of agricultural prices in India. First one is remunerative prices is essential to make better income. Higher income provides the necessary incentives to put in hard work, apply better inputs, produce more and earn more. And hence farmers, however, very often they get non-remunerative prices, which becomes a matter of concern. Agricultural prices are also determined like any other prices by the demand and supply. And hence it is observed that a good harvest with more supply brings less income than a bad harvest. Agricultural market is subject to seasonal changes and seasonal fluctuations. Uncertainty about price discourages farmers from introducing any new things, and a comparatively stable price will provide them with more confidence to improve the cultivation and produce more. The farmers do not have a good holding capacity and therefore resort to distress sale, which immediately is after the harvest. Most of the farmers sell their produce through a middleman who exploit them by paying the lesser price than what the market is. More of the middlemen, greater is the gap between the farmer's price and the final consumer price, which leads to more of exploitation. Most of the farmers also do not have sufficient market information regarding the prevailing prices, which makes the farmers sell their products at a lower price, and purchasers take an advantage of this lack of information or ignorance of the farmers, causing exploitation of the farmers on a larger scale. Facilities like official or organized market information, communication, transportation system, warehousing, etc. for effective marketing of agricultural goods are insufficient, resulting into farmers' exploitation. The agricultural price policy aims at determining two sets of prices by the government. First is the procurement price, a price at which the government purchases the agricultural commodities from the farmers to provide and ensure better income to the farmers. And second is the issue price, the price at which the government sells the agricultural goods through a fair price shops to the poor consumers to ensure their minimum livelihood. Thank you and keep watching upcoming sessions.